Hey, this video is on the EB7001 Redmax backpack blower, and what I'm going to show you here is something that it took me weeks to find this out, trying to figure out how to replace the pull start. And since this particular machine is probably bought this in right around 2001, so it's probably going on 15 to 18 years old. This model of blower, actually it had a recall on it because the muffler ostensibly was catching fire on some of them, and they had to replace them. But they found that the muffler was causing a fire, and I didn't know it until it was way too late. But since it's that old and I haven't caught fire with this thing yet, I'm figuring that this is one of the good ones. Anyhow, I have been trying to find out through dealerships, which are few and far between, especially where I live up in Pennsylvania. There's no Redmax dealers within easy driving distance. So I called one of the local repair shops, and I know the guy pretty well, so he was able to sit there and walk me through the PDF file that he had on his computer. And it turns out that the mechanism, which I will show in another video, is frozen, and I don't know how to get it off. Nobody can describe to me how to get it off, and so I am left with either one of three things: to submit this machine to a local shop and pay anywhere from $35 to $70 to have them try to repair it, and I have a good feeling that they're going to break it. So the other alternative is to buy a whole new Recoil starter, which it's leaf season here in the Northeast, so I'm unable to wait I can't even wait a week. So the third alternative is try to figure out what the heck I can do to circumvent those two other options. And that's what I did. I finally figured out how to replace the rope on the Redmax pull starter. And this is 3 minutes and counting. So I'm going to stop this and continue on the second video.